Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you redesigning your garden, lawn, yard, or patio and would like to have a bird bath bracket which is made by Achla? Would you like to have a way to add radiance to your garden so that birds will flock in it? We have a bird bath bracket for you. We would like you to know about the bird bath bracket except all pre-threaded bird baths. This is an elegant looking bird bath bracket in black powder coat color which will add elegance to wherever you choose it to be. This item is made by Achla. The leading manufacturer of garden and bird bath design made this bracket compatible with any of Achla's bird baths. Bird baths without a thread on the bottom may require a hanging basket so that they may be hung from the loop below. This item is ideal for places like garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Here are its technical details. Dimensions are 14 by 6 by 6. Weight is 2 pounds. The male thread on the end of this item will accept all our pre-threaded bird baths. Grab the bird bath bracket, accept all pre-threaded bird baths today at a very affordable price, and see to it that every beautiful bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.